प्लीज आप मान अधिवक्ता हैं, प्लीज बैठिए। अध्यक्ष आसन पर बैठे सभापति या अध्यक्ष माननीय सदस्य को अलाउ कर सकता है, ये नियम में नहीं है, ये नियम में नहीं है क्या? नो, कर सकते हैं आप। रूल्स में मत चलिए, रूल्स में चलेंगे तो नो, ये नियम में नहीं लिखा कि एलओपी बोले तो आप बीच में नहीं बोल सकते। नो, अध्यक्ष के आसन की व्यवस्था दे सकते हैं, प्लीज। चलो
Sir, you have allowed 2 ministers, 3 ministers, and I want to make very short references. Read this. 352. A member while speaking shall not make personal reference by way of making an allegation, imputing a motive to or questioning the bona fides of any other member of the House.
ओके,
Has Rahul Gandhi made reference to any other member? Sir, ये हुआ नहीं। और use utter treasonable, seditious or defamatory words. He is mentioning the name of Shiva. Defamatory.
आप क्यों विद्वान में बैठा हूं ना सीट पे? आपको मैं बता दूंगा सब नियम।
सर, ये लोग नहीं समझते हैं, मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ देयर इनएडिक्वेट नॉलेज ऑफ इंग्लिश, दे थॉट दैट रेफरेंस टू, ही डिड नॉट मेक एनी पर्सनल रेफरेंस। प्लीज नेक्स्ट पॉइंट।
ओके
सर, राजनाथ सिंह जी मेड अ पॉइंट ऑन अग्निवीर। देयर इज ए मेथड to correct any wrong statement made in the House. Please read 115(1) of the directions by the Speaker. It says, a member wishing to point out any mistake or inaccuracy in a statement made by a minister or any other member shall, before referring the matter in the House, write to the Speaker pointing out the particulars of the mistake or inaccuracy and seek the permission of the Speaker to raise the matter. Has Rajnath Singh written to you? Has he written? No, he has not written. All this शिवराज सिंह चौहान सर इतने दिन बाद लोकसभा में
अभी आप सुनिए,
खड़ा होकर बोलने लगा।
माननीय
मजाक की जगह है क्या? ये नॉट गिवन
मेरे पास
you cannot point out mistake or on MSP he made a statement. What right he has?
आप एक मिनट, आपने 352 का हवाला दिया। 352 के अंदर स्पष्ट रूप से लिखा है, कोई भी तथ्य ऐसे कभी भी नहीं बोले जाएंगे जो इस सदस्य का सदस्य नहीं, सदन का सदस्य नहीं है। मैं अपेक्षा करूंगा कि प्रतिपक्ष के नेता इन नियम प्रक्रियाओं की पालना करें। और दूसरा विषय जो माननीय सदस्य ने कहा है 102 के अंदर ही सदन में सभापति या अध्यक्ष किसी भी माननीय सदस्य को बोलने की इजाजत दे सकता है नियम प्रक्रिया के तहत। नो,
स्पीकर साहब,
मेरी परमिशन से किसी को भी अलाउ कर सकता हूं और मेरी बिना परमिशन के कोई नहीं बोला है।
See, sir, Speaker sir, NEET students spend years and years preparing for their exam. Their family supports them financially, emotionally. And the truth is that NEET students today do not believe in the exam. Because they are convinced that the exam is designed for rich people, not meritorious people. I have met a number of NEET students, every single one of them tells me that the exam is designed to create a quota for rich people and to create a passage for them into the system, and is designed not to help poor students. Now, इससे भी बहुत डर होता है महीनों पढ़ाई करते हैं, यह पता नहीं कि भैया एग्जाम लीक हो जाएगा नहीं होगा, अगर पास भी हो गए तो पैसा कहां से आएगा। तो उधर भी इन लोगों ने भय डालने का काम किया। तो जहां भी ये देखते हैं ये भय डालते हैं, सेना में, युवाओं में, किसानों में, मजदूरों में, महिलाओं में, डिसेबल्ड में भी। और मैं ये भी कह सकता हूं कि सिर्फ बाकी हिंदुस्तान में भी नहीं, मगर अपनी पार्टी में भी भय है। आपकी पार्टी में डर है, भय है, सच्चाई है। देखो अब आप चिल्ला नहीं रहे हो, अब आप शांत हो, अब बिल्कुल शांत हो, सच्चाई बोल दी, चिल्ला नहीं रहे, चुप। क्योंकि आपकी ट्यूनिंग डायरेक्टली प्रॉब्लम क्या है, आप चिल्ला भी नहीं सकते क्योंकि कनेक्शन नहीं। सर मैं बोल रहा हूं, सर समझा रहा हूं, स्ट्रक्चर बोल रहा हूं। सर लोकतंत्र में पार्टी में डेमोक्रेसी होनी चाहिए। कोई भी इन पार्टियों में कोई भी आके कुछ भी कह देता है, ग्रुप ऑफ 22, 23, 24, 25 सब जो बोलना है बोल देते हैं, मगर आपकी पार्टी में भय है। सत्यमेव जयते, ना डरो ना डराओ। सर, when I became LOP, I realized something that I had not realized before. And it's also on the lines of the principles of Shiva. It's on those same lines. And the idea was that after becoming LOP, all my personal dreams, my personal aspirations, my personal fears have to be put aside. I am now actually two people. I'm not one person. I'm a constitutional person, and my job is to be leader of the opposition, to represent all these parties equally. In fact, I don't just represent the Congress party, I represent every single party. And I have to treat every single party with love and affection. So when Hemant Soren ji is in jail or Kejriwal is in jail, it should disturb me, it should hurt me. Yes. When you unleash your agencies on these political people, it is our job to defend them. Because there is a constitutional person and an individual. And what Shivji is saying is that when you are a constitutional person, the individual should die. The individual's aspirations, the individual's dreams should die. And you should become the voice of the people. Yes. Meaning that you should have no fantasies, no dreams, nothing. The perfect public representative is one who is actually dead. That is what Shivji is saying. You understand? Now, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, now, my advice. So there are two structures now. One is me as an individual, and one is me as leader of the opposition. Me as an individual, I might have my likes and dislikes, I might have my views, but me as leader of opposition have to suppress them, have to reduce them and say, now I'm the voice of the opposition. That is the idea of the democratic system. The people have given me a responsibility, and that responsibility should overcome my personal likes, dislikes, aspirations. Now, Speaker sir, why I'm saying this, and forgive me for saying this, but when you were being put on that chair, I walked there to help you, to walk with you to the chair. And I shook hands with the Prime Minister and I shook hands with you. And then I walked to your chair. And you are the final arbiter of the Lok Sabha. You're the final word here. What you say fundamentally defines Indian democracy. You don't allow us to speak, you allow us to speak, you allow them to speak, you don't allow us to speak. All these things define Indian democracy. Speaker, sir, there are actually two people sitting in that chair. There is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, the Speaker of the Indian Union, and there is Mr. Om Birla. When Modi ji went and shook your hand, and I went and shook your hand, I noticed something. When I shook your hand, you stood straight like this and shook my hand. And when Modi ji shook your hand, you bowed down and shook his hand.
ये आसन के सामने आरोप है, ये चेयर के सामने आरोप कर रहे हैं माननीय।
Now with all respect, sir, such a
बैठिए, बैठिए प्लीज। एक